Okay, today we are going to compare two AI tools, which are Copilot and Upscale. All right. For you to use Upscale, you need to install it on your PC. Okay. So let's use this example, the image here. So let me double click on it for you to see it. So you can see this image is kind of small and is faint. The text is not seen clearly. So it's something I want to use in my textbook, okay, in one of the books I'm writing, and want to see if Upscale can do the job of improving the quality of the image, showing us all the text and everything inside. Then after that, we are going to compare that with Copilot. So let's start. So let me launch my Upscale. Let's use Upscale first. Upscale. All right, I'll click on it. So here the program has opened. I'll click on select image. Then look at the word we are working with here. I'll click on open. So the next step is to click on Upscale. All right, and Upscale is done with this. So you can see how it looks like here. But let's just go and open it fully and see what we have in return. So look at it here. I'll double click on it. So let me maximize. You can see when it comes to little text or text that are not clear, Upscale has issues. All right, you can see here the text has been changed. Sometimes you can see something like this word, you may not even read it. All right, so that's the problem Upscale has. One of the issues it has, one of the limitations, because when it comes to little images, text that are not clear, it cannot do the job very properly. All right, so but let's just go and see what Copilot can do if you are prompted to do the same thing. So I'll close this, then I will open my Copilot tool. So let me add the image. I'll click on this, select add image. Okay, I'm in the desktop. Look at the image here. I'll click on open. So now that it has been placed here, let's prompt this Copilot on what we want it to do for us. So I'll add my text here. I see this, and it says click up this image to show all text clearly. All right, I'll send. Okay, so Copilot has come up with the results. So I'll click on download for it to be downloaded. So anything Copilot downloads is saved in the downloads folder. So I'll click on this. Then I will get to downloads. So I will double click on it. You can see Copilot has now brought out the text and it showed everything clearly, more than what Upscale could do. So when it comes to faint text that are not clear that we want to upscale, please use Copilot. Let's make another comparison. Okay, look at the image I want us to use for this second experiment. I will double click on it. So you can see this image is one of my print on demand products on Spreadshop. So I took a screenshot of it and I want to see the tool that will upscale it very well, because if I zoom it, you can see it start losing quality. All right, so that's what you're going to use for this experiment. Let's start with Upscale as usual. I'll open it, then select image. Let's okay, look at the image here. I'll click on this, click on open, and then click on Upscale. So let's give it time to see the job it's going to do by giving us the results. All right, so this has finished converting. So let's now close this and get to the result. Look at the result here. I'll double click on it. I can see it gives me a more upscaled or upgraded results. If I zoom it, the text is not affected, nothing is affected. All right, and that is beautiful. So let's go and see what Copilots will do for us, can do for us. Click on this plus sign, then click on this. So look at the sample 2, open. So wait for it to analyze it, then prompt it. Okay, I say I'll scout this image by cleaning it up professionally. So I'll click on send. Okay, and here we are. This has done its own job. So I'll click on download. It's saved in the downloads folder. I will click on this, refresh this page. Then I would double click on it. And look at it. It's still beautiful. In fact, it's even more beautiful than the one of Upscale. So this is my take in all these things. All right. Copilot team is really working hard in the recent time, and they are now improving the tool. If it were to be before, Copilot may mess up with the test. All right, but now it's upgraded that it can even work on blurry text and bring it out. Then Upscale, on the other hand, can still do upscaling functions, but when it comes to little text on some faint text or some blurry text, it could not interpret that. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment in the comment section. See you some other time.